Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Bailey. We play around with makeup and today we're gonna be playing around with some lip gloss. And I'm like feeling my little like 90s vibe. I have like a little assortment of pinks up here and I just feel like spring is upon us, don't you feel? Today we're gonna be trying, oh god, the lifter gloss, and I am so excited to be trying these. These are jam-packed with hyaluronic acid and an assortment of beautiful like neutral nudie tones, and I cannot wait to try these on. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you don't miss out on another video, because everyone missed out and everyone's like, how do you have over 100,000 subscribers and you don't get any views? Well, I don't know. It's because I take many breaks. I can't explain it. I don't know. Hit the notification bell and we'll be all on our way. Okay, let's get into the glosses. First up, we have the shade Pearl, and it is so beautiful. It's a light, it's literally a pearl shade, and it literally has a pearlescent tint to it. It's like a holographic, and actually not even holographic. It's like purple, pink, green, blue. Ugh, it's literally so beautiful. I have this on my lips already because my lips were dry and crusty, and I'm just letting you know that this is beautiful. And I feel like topping a lipstick with this would be stunning. Right off the bat, it is super soft on my lips. It's not sticky. It's just right. Next up, we have Ice, and this is such a pretty like baby pink. It doesn't have like a huge fleck of glitter like the previous one did, but it does have a little bit of a sheen, and it's like a peachy pink kind of reflect. Oh my god, this color is so cute. This is kind of like why I did my eye the way I did, because I saw this gloss and I was like, oh my god, that's so pretty. Isn't that cute? I mean, like, you can barely see it because it's literally like the shade of my skin, but the idea is there. Our next shade is 003 Moon, and this is a beautiful nude, and it has like a speck of yellow, green, pink, purple, red kind of in there. Does that make sense? It's like a nice blush tone. Let's throw it on, shall we? Oh my gosh, I feel like this is like literally my lip color, don't you think? I feel like it is anyhow. These glosses are so smooth, like the hyaluronic acid in it, you can like definitely feel. Moving on to 04 Silk. It's a little bit darker than the 03, and it has more of just a straight up pink sheen to it. And I love the name. Oh my god, it's called Silk. That's so cute. Okay, this one has the most pigment out of the ones we've tried so far. I feel like this actually like has like a actual shade to it, where the other ones were more just like a nice like translucent shade. Ooh, I feel like this like matches my crease color really well. Next is 05, and this one's called Petal, and I'm gonna assume that this is gonna have a little bit more pigment too. This has less of a glitter, it's like more spaced out. Oh yeah, this is gonna be full pigment. Like the glitter is like far and few between with this one. These ones are so cute. Okay, no, maybe I love this one the most with my makeup. Maybe this is the look today. Oh, my top's getting away from me now. Oh, it's just hanging. I'm just a hanger. Anyway, what was this shade called? Petal. Totally a petal. Next up, we have 07 Amber, and this one is again a flat gloss shade. No shimmer, just love. I don't know, that was stupid. Let's put this on. I don't know. Okay, well, it's definitely on. This is definitely not my color. Someone who has a deeper skin tone or literally a tan, this will look magnificent on you. Shades like this that are like yellow based, it just like, it looks absolutely terrible. I feel like I look not cute. And I feel like this is like a lot of nude lipsticks are, which just like looks so bad on someone with my complexion. But again, like if this was in my kit, I would definitely put this on like literally anyone with a tan. Like you would literally look so beautiful. Or like someone who's like Indian, or like what, like literally anybody except for me. Next up we have 08 Stone, and it is a little bit deeper than the previous and a little less yellow, so let's throw it on. Okay, that's cute. I mean, like a little more cute than 07, because that was definitely a choice for me. Cute. I don't really have much to say about this other than I would definitely need a lip liner, but like I don't mind this shade. I feel like, ooh, never mind, it makes my teeth look super yellow. This is just a me thing, like to each their own. Yeah, I don't know, I don't hate it, I don't love it. I'm neutral. Baseline neutral. My sister says I'm baseline annoyed, so. Next up we have 010 Crystal, and I would describe this shade as like a burnt copper. I mean, it's very pretty. Let's put it on. I love the shimmer that these have. They're just like, they just look like magic. There you have it in all of its glory. I will say, I always find it so funny when I just wear a gloss, because I feel like because I'm so pale, I feel like my lips just get lost and then they look super tiny if I don't have like a defined line. But it's a nice color. Ew. Okay, so I put a lip liner on just to define my lips a bit, and then I put on a little bit of silk, and then I threw on ice on top of that to kind of custom create my own lipstick. What do you guys think? I overall love these glosses. I'm definitely going to be using them. They're so pillowy and soft on the lip. Like I can feel the hyaluronic acid. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little like 90s. My nose is running. I literally had my hair like this. I think it was in my grade 2 picture or grade 4 picture, and I literally have, oh, I think it was grade 2, and I'm literally like this in it. It's so funny. I have to go home and find it. I should honestly make a video like looking at my old like photos. Anyway, I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one.